Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be getting this crystal spider. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but we are getting this for the stage 2 of Winterfest. So yeah, let's just get in the video. But before we do, I just want to say that we are really close to 500 subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you would subscribe. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So what we are actually going to do is battle the snow man over here. I'm not sure how I found it perfectly, but we are going to be battling that. So yeah. So here we are in the battle. We are battling a Floricia or Florius. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. We are using Ember Shed because it's a fire type against an ice type. It's always going to be an ice type. So yeah, these questions are really easy. And we do 5,220 damage, very powerful. Let's see how much this does. It will probably be very, very weak because it's an ice type. Yeah, 2,474. Looks like we are going to win this battle easily and get that buddy. So we get an easy question and take out Florius, meaning that we have won. It'll just run away. And yeah, we won, meaning that we get the little whatever you want to call it. So let's open our chest with 10 snowflakes, and there we go. We have gotten the crystal spider. Let's see what it is called. Ice spider. So yes, let's have that follow me, and let's see what it looks like. So it is right here. Looks pretty cool. I will put it up on the right here. So it's right here. It's this creepy crawler is often found in the caves of Shiverchill Mountain. It collects crystals to wear on its back as protection. So you can only get this from Winterfest. You can't get it from Shiverchill as they clickbaited it. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like and subscribe. We are really close to 500, and yeah, bye.